Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tamlyn and this is Sewn on the Tyne, and I'm here today to unbox my Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink box for February. So just as a little reminder before we get started, I do work for Beyond the Pink Door now, doing the ebook for the Think Pink boxes as well as managing the ambassador team. So I do receive this box from Andrea as part of those roles, which is amazing. I'm also one of the ambassadors as well, so yeah. It all works out anyway. So I am going to share what is in this box, and because I have inside information and I knew what fabric was going to be in the box, I've actually ordered my pattern already and some haberdashery items to go with it. So I thought I would talk you through those plans as well. So here is this month's box. We have got a lovely heart theme because obviously February is the month of love. It's the month of Valentine's Day. So I'm loving that sleeve that is on the box there, a lovely little touch. So let's have a little look at what is inside. Just before we get into it, as a little reminder about what you get in your subscription box, you get a premium high quality fabric, and that is anywhere between 2 meters, 2.5 meters, or sometimes if it's a knit fabric, it might be 1.5 to 2 meters. Then you get your matching Gutterman thread, you get a haberdashery item, and then you get a gift from a small business, which is lovely. You also get a very high quality, I have to say, and inspirational ebook. So there's a postcard with a QR code inside, and that takes you straight to an ebook full of information, inspiration. It has makes from our ambassadors. So there's a team of ambassadors each month that will make up the fabric ahead of time to inspire you. There'll also be pattern ideas and suggestions in there. There'll be recipes, some gardening tips, some skincare tips. Then there's often other articles as well about different things that are going on in the sewing community. Some sewing tips and tricks and how to work with different fabrics or different tools, different needles. There's so much that goes into that ebook. So I would encourage you to make sure that you do read it, scan the QR code and read that. If you really struggle with reading the ebook on your device, you might just be reading it from a phone, you can contact myself or Andrea and we will send you a link that you can access it on your laptop or your computer if that's what you would prefer. Also, Andrea has uploaded all of the ebooks from last year onto the Beyond the Pink Door website. So if you don't subscribe but would love to go on there and have a little look at what is in the ebooks and get some ideas and inspiration, you can head over and do that. I will put a link to that down below. Anyway, your box cost, I think, £30 plus postage, which I think is incredible value. So let's dig into this one. And this month's box is a little bit bigger than has been in previous months. So pop that to one side and let's have a little look in here. So we've got lovely red tissue and the heart theme continues onto the postcard. February. This is a time for curiosity, for asking what if and following small sparks of interest. On the back, you've got a planning section, so you can go on and make your notes and plan what you are going to do with your fabric. And then you've got the QR code to scan, and it actually does say drop us an email to, and the email address, if you would prefer to receive a link to that ebook. So that's great. Inside my box, I've got this lovely purple bag. Ooh. See, I didn't know all the other bits and bobs that were in this box, which is lovely. I'll keep my thread secret just for a moment because that would reveal the colour of my fabric. But in terms of our gifts, we've got a tape measure from Prim, which is awesome because you do need to change your tape measures fairly regularly because they can actually shrink a little bit or they can stretch out a little bit. So to make sure that you are measuring accurately, it is a good idea to switch these up quite often. And also if you go to things like sewing socials or retreats or whatever, you might like to have multiple tape measures. You can see I keep one on my mannequin there, I keep one in my sewing caddy, and yeah, it's always good to have multiple tape measures around. We have got a little sweet treat this month, and it is a little packet of toasted marshmallow flavour gourmet popcorn from Popcorn Shed. I love Popcorn Shed, absolutely love their products. And I mean, this is like a proper little mini packet, but that's really cute. There's only 30 calories in this little pack. But you know, just when you want something a little bit sweet, but you're not actually hungry, this would be absolutely perfect with a cup of tea or a little glass of wine, just to have a little nibble. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. And then we've got the most gorgeous gift, which is a pair of bamboo socks. If you haven't tried bamboo socks, then I would highly recommend it, because they are so comfortable, so breathable, so lovely to wear. We buy bamboo socks for Taylor for school, and yeah, they're just so different to any other socks that we get. These are gorgeous because they've got little cats on. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously the heart theme again. That's a lovely gift. So this month's fabric is a little bit different. Usually in subscription boxes, in Andrea's boxes and other boxes, most of the time the fabric is patterned. But this month Andrea has gone for something plain, solid, a real wardrobe staple, and I'm very excited. So this month's fabric is, hold it that way, a beautiful baby cord. Now this is the same baby cord that Andrea stocks on her website in a range of colours, so you might have already come across this, but it's a really beautiful 100% cotton baby cord, and we have 2.5 meters, which is incredible considering to buy this fabric per meter on Andrea's website is £14.50 a meter. I think that's amazing that we've got 2.5 meters of that within our box. Incredible. I've also got the matching thread to go with it. So there are 2 different colours this month. This is the pine green colour, which is just gorgeous, right up my street. And the other colour is a lovely dusky aubergine colour, really beautiful. So I think you're winning whichever one you get. But this is my colourway. And because I knew what the fabric was going to be, I had a little look on the Beyond the Pink Door website at the patterns. Now, Andrea has really increased the range of her PDF patterns, and obviously she can do the A0 printing. So I had a good look through the PDF patterns to find something that I would like to make in that baby cord. Obviously it would be great for trousers, it'd be great for skirts, pinafores. You could make a shirt or a shacket out of it, or a really lightweight jacket. You could make a jumpsuit, which is what I'm going for. So I just loved the look of the Modern Sewing Co. Jessie jumpsuit. This is a PDF pattern on Andrea's website that you can either purchase or you can have it printed out by Andrea as well. It is described as being our answer to wanting an all-in-one outfit for true comfort, style and casual charm. To help minimise wardrobe decisions in the morning, this cut gives you everything you need in an outfit that's suitable for all year round. It comes in UK sizes 4 to 28 and it's suitable for intermediate sewers. So you can see it's got a lovely collar that comes down quite deep at the front, and then you've got 4 buttons, and then you've got a lovely elastic section around the waist that really brings it in, defines that waist, which is what I really like. And then in terms of a sleeve length, they seem to come like below elbow length, and the legs are slightly cropped as well. I just think this is gorgeous, and I thought it would be really lovely in that baby cord. So I've got my A0 printouts here. And then I knew I needed buttons to go with it. So I had a little look at Andrea's range of Pigeon Wishes buttons. There were 2 that I was looking at. I sent a message to Andrea and said, which do you think would be better? She said both of them would work. One would stand out more, like as a contrast. One would blend in a little bit better. Those are the ones that I went for. And because they're called Wicked as well, and I absolutely love Wicked. So I went for these ones. So I think they're going to sit beautifully against that fabric. So I'm really excited about that plan. Now, what I'm going to do, because I'm actually filming this a few days ahead of the boxes being sent out to everybody, I've got a little bit of time now between filming this video and this video actually being uploaded. So I thought I would leave it here but not finish off the video, and then I thought I would come back to you in a few days time and give you a little update and let you know where I'm at. I will not have this finished. The wonderful Alison, who is a good friend of mine and another Beyond the Pink Door ambassador, does a lovely video each month where she sews up the fabric and within her unboxing video actually shows you what she has made. I can't replicate that because I will not have this jumpsuit made in time. However, I will have made some progress towards it, and I just think that even coming back and sharing my progress with you so far will be lovely. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this video here and I'll see you again in a couple of seconds, but for me it will be a few days and I'll let you know where I'm at with my Modern Sewing Co. Jessie jumpsuit. Bye. Hello. I am back with some news that I'm sure will shock none of you. Ooh. I mean, I'll explain what's going on here in a second, but I've just been sitting editing my video. It is Monday the 16th of February today, so most people in the UK are receiving their boxes today. I filmed my unboxing a few days ago and thought that I might make some progress on my make between then and now. No, I have pre-washed my fabric, so I'm taking that as a win and a slight amount of progress, but other than that I haven't achieved anything towards my jumpsuit. It is still my plan and I'm very keen to make it. However, we are taking on some decorating projects in the house, hence the state of me. I mean, I've been to the gym, I've also been painting for most of the day, so there are things that are kind of taking priority at the moment. I've got a make that is taking priority over any other sewing that I do because that's for an event on Saturday, and then the decorating is kind of the priority. So no, I haven't made any progress on my Jessie jumpsuit. Yes, I am still planning on making it because I think that is a match made in heaven. However, I don't have anything to show you right now, I'm afraid. So that didn't go to plan, did it? But I hope you've all been loving seeing what is in the box this month. I think it's an absolute banger of a box. I've been wearing my socks a lot. They are super comfortable. I love them. I watched Rachel's unboxing earlier today, which was lovely. And she's planning on making a jumpsuit too. So great minds think alike on that one. So yes, just popping back on to close off the video, let you all know that I've made no progress. I mean, it would have been a real surprise if I'd have actually sewn it up, wouldn't it? That didn't happen. Hopefully I will have made it by the March unboxing, but who knows. So thank you all so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you have, subscribe if you don't already, and I'll see you a lovely lot again very soon in my next one. Happy sewing. Bye.